Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you that how will you hide Instagram story or post from someone without blocking them. So let's start. First of all, open your Instagram, then click on the profile picture in the bottom. After that, click on the three slashes on the upper side of your mobile screen. Then scroll down. Here you can see the restricted option. So click on it. Then search the name of a person that you want to hide your post from him. So I select one. So this is very easy method. Now this person cannot see my post and stories. And if you want to unrestrict them, then simply go back and again enter on restrict option. Here you can see the name. If you want to unrestrict them again, so click on this. So this is a very simple method that you can follow. I hope that you can learn from this. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.